How to move Outlook navigation toolbar to the bottom of your screen. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you will have to press Windows plus R key in order to open up Run. And in your Run, you need to type regedit, R-E-G edit. So this way you will be able to open up registry editor. After that, you will be able to find a list of different folders on the left hand side. Just locate the H key current user and double click on it. After that, open up software and then you need to click up on Microsoft. After that, go to the Office, and in the Office you will have to click on this option of 16.0 and then select the common, and after that you will find the folder of experiment ECS, and this way you would be able to reach the folder of overrides. Just select it, and then on the right hand side you will be able to find the file with the name of microsoft.office.outlook.hub.hubbar. In case if you don't find it, just simply right click and create a new string value and name this file as shown on the screen. After you open it up, set the string value as false and then click on OK, and this will solve all your problems, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.